Okay, it's time to prepare to remove this awesome diesel heater. It's a great heater, very popular in cold climates. We would consider keeping it, but it requires a chimney. They just ran a chimney through the hatch, and that's not considered safe. So we would probably want to remount it on the bulkhead over here. That means we'd have to remove Lionel Barrymore's drawing, and we don't want to do that. Then we'd have to run a chimney up through the cabin roof, and we don't want to really do that. We're going to go a different route for our heating and air conditioning. It looks like, to me, it's simply screwed onto the mast in a couple of places. We have our air conditioner tied to the heater and the mast, really. So it's like we just have to remove some screws, and I assume it's tapped in, so I'm glad it's not riveted. So it should be relatively easy to take off. And then the mechanic removed the diesel line in the engine room and capped it off, so I'll be able to pull that as well. Okay, and over here we have Teri doing incredible editing work. Say bye, Teri.
Bye, Teri. Jen removing the diesel heater from the cabin, from the salon. Thanks for your work, honey.
You betcha. Living the dream.
There you go.
Care if I leave these screens off for a minute? So I don't use a cordless drill for this work because it tend to over tighten. This wood. That one holds. The rest of them not so much. Okay, I think this is the fuel line I'm dealing with. I think it goes to that gauge right there. My gauge is that gauge right there. It's gotta be it.
Ace and I have been married over 43 years. I have no idea where this guy picked up these skills or where his knowledge is from. I have no idea. I'm just astounded every day.
Now I'll yank on that and see if it moves. Okay, here's the fuel line.
Okay, honestly, look at this engine room. What could possibly make you think that you would know which wire to pull? It's a nightmare. The confidence of this guy just blows me away.
This is the fuel line that I'm talking about right here. Pull on that, see if it moves. I think that's the one. I'm going to undo all that and then pull it through. If it's the one. I'm sure it is. Yep. Now I'm going to get a inventory of zip ties. Keep in my bag. Alright. Engine rooms. Okay. Should be good until we get to that. I'll just take that off. Oh. I want to turn my headlamp on. That was a GoPro. Okay, that should pull right up through. Okay, this is something. I'm going to pull it through the other way. Now let's wait. Oh, yeah. Missed a lot.
Okay, Ace is literally holding his headlamp in his hand because he's got the GoPro on his forehead trying to get the shot for me. Thank you, honey.
There we go, okay. That's going to be alright. I'll tie these up again. Falling. Yep, that's it. loose. Alright, got it. We'll just disengage that gauge, whatever it is, and we will be good to go. We got to figure out the electrical wires. Figure out these electrical wires. That's nice. Some kind of positive wire going on there. Little bitty one. Lord only knows. Okay, the heater is removed. I'm about to remove these brackets, but I wanted to take a minute and consider if I wanted them on there for any reason. These are the wires that went to the heater regulator. The other end is in the electrical box in the engine room. I'm just going to properly crimp these off, put a proper termination on them, and then keep them in case we need to pull them through, pull something else through that channel that goes through the bilge to the engine room. Or who knows, maybe we'll want to use these wires. They look like they're in relatively good shape at some point in time down here at the mast step. We'll see. That's dirty. I need to clean that out. Hopefully I'll do that next, and then I will do a proper 90-degree angle on this air conditioner vent to give us more space, and maybe that will give us a lot more space here in the salon area. Okay.
Okay, so yeah, you're showing me how to take out that piece because there was a fuel line stuck. That's why it wasn't coming out.
The fuel line was going through there. Just go straight down like that.
Perfect.
Yep. Beautiful wood. Absolutely.
No, teak and holly, we found out. What do we call it? What's mahogany?
This.
Yeah, what's that called?
The
Hull thing.
Huh?
What do you call that?
bulkhead?
Bulkhead. Thank
Okay.
you. Okay, bye.
Bye. So this was today's job. It was pretty huge because I had to remove the fuel line all the way from the mast to the new fuel filter in the engine room, which is back there. The engine room, actually, we just got a new fuel filter separator installed, and the mechanic took it out, unhooked the fuel stove at that time, so it was pretty easy for me. I just had to pull the line through and dripped a little diesel here and there. Hopefully not too bad. And I think it's time to relax. Time to relax, honey.
I'm sorry?
It's time to relax.
Yeah. Okay, so these are the scratches in the teak and holly floor that we made with the TV trays. We've got little pads on them now, but we're gonna try to get this fixed using Old English and see if we can't fix what we've done. Ooh, I don't know how old this is. Holy smokes. Okay. I'll use this part of this here. Okay. It's for dark wood, which is what I think this is. I'm supposed to use a soft cloth, but we'll see. That's pretty nice. can't read the directions anymore because the label is shot. It's magic. That's what my mom used on all of her stuff when we were kids. So I think it's working. Thanks, Mom. She's long past. Okay.
Looks very nice.
Well, you couldn't see it without direct light on it, but it was really marred.
Looks like brand new right now.
Did you see it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I could see it on there. And no directions. I mean, welcome
Well,
to Open
I,
You don't have, if there's not a YouTube video on it, we don't worry about it.
I did it without a YouTube video because I'm gonna make one.
You've been doing that stuff for years, though.
Yeah.
Always taking good care of our woodwork.
Well, the woodwork in here is glorious. It has been so well maintained.
40-year-old boat.
For a 40-year-old boat, she's just beautiful, and she is not going to look crappy on our watch. If we've got her for the next 25 years, she's going to look this good when we hand her over, because she will outlive us. Okay, say bye, Ace.
Bye, Ace.